In the age of technology, war is no longer the same. It's no longer just tanks or fighter jets that decide the battle. A new nightmare has appeared. Small in size, silent in flight, but deadly in its strike. They are suicide drones. Suicide drones, also known as kamikaze drones, are unmanned aerial vehicles designed to crash into their targets and explode on impact. They are not just surveillance tools, nor are they simple missiles. They are a fusion of both, combining the precision of drones with the lethality of guided rockets. So, what makes them so terrifying? First, they're cheap compared to fighter jets or advanced missiles. Second, they're hard to detect, flying low and staying almost invisible to radar. And third, they hit with deadly precision, capable of turning the tide of an entire battle in seconds. From Ukraine to the Middle East, suicide drones have rewritten the rules of war. In Ukraine, for example, the Iranian Shahed 136 drones appeared, like a swarm of killer bees raining down on cities and military bases. Meanwhile, the US developed the Switchblade drone, small, portable, carried in a backpack, but powerful enough to destroy a tank. Imagine being a soldier on the battlefield. You hear a faint buzzing sound in the distance. You know it carries death, but you don't know where it will strike. That fear alone is enough to break morale and turn the battlefield into chaos. But the real nightmare hasn't even begun. Picture swarms of hundreds of suicide drones, moving together like a storm that cannot be stopped. This is the future militaries are preparing for. Wars without pilots, wars without direct combat, wars powered by artificial intelligence and swarming drones. Suicide drones are not just another weapon. They are the beginning of a new era of warfare, where soldiers may no longer be the main targets, but entire cities and infrastructures could vanish in seconds. This is the nightmare of modern wars, and it may change our world forever. Subscribe for more untold stories about war and military technology.